So we are putting the antifreeze. We have reached Casa.
Welcome to Spiti.
9 beds are there.
9 beds are there.
All the modified silencer fellas go into one room. The stock ones come to another room.
How was it? Wow! So see how cold it is. The ice formation. I think we splashed some water in the evening. It's all frozen here. See, it's like ice.
So now finally we are in Casa, one of the best places in Spiti Valley, surrounded by ice mountains. And today we go to the highest post office, and then Sunil will take out the places where he has planned for today.
There are 2 villages that we're going to visit. Both are very high in altitude, surrounded by total snow. One is Langza. It's got a giant Buddha statue. We'll go around there and admire the beauty. Then we'll go to Hikim. And Hikim has the highest post office.
So now we'll start with the prayer.
Everybody maintain a little bit more distance. I'm going a little ahead. Captain, come a little forward. 4H. All 4 wheels will be engaged and there will be a light in the dash.
You want all the cars to go to HL?
Yes, HL, that is correct.
We are getting that light also.
Excellent. And Naresh, can you also confirm?
The light is on.
Excellent. Now let's move in the 4H mode. We're going to start in 4H mode because a steep incline like this, 4H is better, it gives more control and it is easy, much easier on the clutch. So we'll drive to Langza in 4H mode.
Okay.
Notice the difference on the turn on the sharp bends now. Even if you're driving on the first gear, it is okay. Sometimes even second gear will not pick up, but it's okay. There is ice on it, but drive normally. There's no problem.
you right to the top of the world. This is where we start. No, we can't make it last forever. We gotta use all the time we have. And you know that we'll never say never if we ever get the chance. And it's good to be alive. It's good to be alive. This feeling's running high. Life is calling and the world is beautiful. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. There's a winding road we're choosing, looking for a brand new day. And up ahead there's an open door, now we'll find our way. There's a hope for a new tomorrow. We can dream that we'll rise above. Let me be your guide to follow, and you'll always feel the love. And it's good to be alive. It's good to be alive. This feeling's running high. Life is calling and the world is beautiful. Na 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 na.
This is the world's highest post office at Hiking. A great pleasure in posting a postcard to my wife, not to my girlfriend, in Coimbatore. That's excellent. And this is the second postcard. This is to my girlfriend.
Well, it's good to be alive. So good to be alive. This feeling's running high. Oh, life is calling and the world is beautiful. So beautiful. Life is calling, yeah, life is calling. Life is calling, the world is beautiful. 'Cause life is calling and the world is beautiful.
I'm in a good mood. I'm walking down the street. Don't need to be rude. I am with my bare feet. Tomorrow will be a perfect day. The sky will be blue. Sun is yellow by the way. It's a lovely morning. I'm feeling blessed. The sun is warming. The birds are making nest. Oh, it's such a lovely morning. Oh, it's such a lovely morning.
So yesterday we were more adventurous. What we did, we kept all the cars open because in the morning yesterday every car started in 1 or 2 cranks. So I thought, let me see if I don't cover the vehicle, keep it open, how does the vehicle respond in the morning. So the Fortuners have no problem. They all started in 1 or 2 cranks. This car, Mahindra, in the morning it was totally frozen. We started at 7 o'clock. Now it's about 10 o'clock. We are starting it again. Let's see what it does. One crank. There seems to be some life. But at 7 o'clock there was no life. Let's start again. It appears that it will start. Three cranks done. The car is still struggling. But definitely this will not start at 7 in the morning. So we'll have to cover this vehicle in the night. And I'll also try to keep the car running at maybe 10 after dinner, so that it stays warm for long. It is not starting. This baby is making some issues. It's cranky. So we're gonna bathe the baby in the hot water. Hopefully it gets normalized. Let's see. इसमें जब ठंडा होता है इसको कुछ होता है क्या? गर्म पानी डालते हैं यार इसको, अपने आप कुछ होगा. If we can reach to Loser, depending on the road condition. But this side is extremely beautiful. And Sering just told me that there are some patches of ices on the road. So let's see. Once we know the exact conditions once you are on the road, we'll see how it goes. If we have to apply the snow chains, we will do that. We'll take pictures, enjoy, have fun. I have some snacks with me. So we'll do that and then come back by 3 and then we are free. You know, the market is mostly closed, but we'll go and check it out if by 3 something is open, and by 4 o'clock we all 4:30 we are back, and then we just wind up, relax. We'll do a prayer. Like we are going into a vast open desert, huh? Very few villages, very less populated villages now. बर्फ कितना है? रोड क्लियर है पूरा? कहाँ तक? लोसर तक पूरा रोड क्लियर है, पूरा रोड जाना है, मतलब क्लियर करा हुआ है, थोड़ा थोड़ा बट आराम से जाए. अच्छा, ओके जी, थैंक यू.
See the light of a new day dawning. Feel the love from a beating heart.
The road is clear till Losar. Maybe some patches on the way, otherwise it's all clear.
No, we can't make it last forever. We gotta use all the time we have. And you know that we'll never say never if we ever get the chance. And it's good to be alive. It's good to be alive. This feeling's running high. Life is calling and the world is beautiful. Na 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 na. Na 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 na
Enjoying the drive. This is good snow on the road. Thank you guys. Thank you guys.
we'll find our way. There's a hope for a new tomorrow. We can dream that we'll rise above. Let me be your guide to follow, and you'll always feel the love. And it's good to be alive. It's good to be alive. This feeling's running high. Life is calling and the world is beautiful.
Alright, so we've been in the Spiti Valley for the last 3 days. This is our third day today, and we have been exploring around Gaza. Yesterday we went to Langza. The roads were clear, but it was incredibly beautiful. There was snow all around, and I think there were some patches where there was some challenge, but otherwise it was a very smooth ride. I've come here in summers, but in winters it looked like a totally different place. And today we are on our route to Losar. In summers it only takes me about 1.5 2 hours maximum to reach to Losar, but it's already been 2 hours and we are still only halfway through. But it was fun. We enjoyed the drive, and we are having some snacks now, and then we will head back to the town. And we were prepared for the cars. We came along with snow chains. We have an extra battery. We have shovels. We have a jumper cable. But I think except Mahindra, our Scorpio, Fortuners are just a breeze. You know, they don't. I had to use only the antifreeze, and the rest of the technology in Toyota is absolutely fantastic. So tomorrow we had to start early at 7. I mean, our Scorpio had a lot of delay in the morning today. So we'll take all the precautions tonight and ensure that in the morning the car starts in time.
The world is beautiful.
So that's the Gaza market. Hardly anything open. Few shops here and there. It's a very small market anyway, but essentials are there. There's still snow. This is all. It's very slushy and dirty as well.
जुले जी
जुले जी,
कहाँ से आए आप?
हम दिल्ली से आए हैं।
अच्छा जी, कैसा लगा जी आप?
बहुत ठंडा।
आजकल दिन में ठंडा नहीं है, थोड़ा गर्म है।
हाँ, ठीक लगा। मतलब होम स्टे में रुके थे ना, वहाँ गर्म था। बाहर तो ठीक है, कपड़े वपड़े डाले,
हाँ जी, हाँ जी।
बट होम स्टे में ठीक था। अच्छा लगा पर।
अच्छा जी।
So in the night, we took some precautions. We removed first the ice from the bottom, then we covered Scorpio, and I know Fortuners will not have any issues, so we just covered the engine bay. So this Pajero has been running all night to avoid the start in the morning, but our cars, look at our cars, they're all nicely decked up. We're gonna now open it, uncover them, and we will kickstart. चलो राज, वो Scorpio करते हैं. The moment. Let's see how this car responds now. The Fortuner has already started in one crank. This bugger, one crank, nothing. Let's come the second one. Shall we? It's pretty cold for Scorpio. वो ठंडा है इसको. I request Mahindra to please provide a geyser in the car when they sell the cars in remote areas like Kaza and Ladakh and Pangong, so that people can use hot water and pour it on the engine, and then the engine can start. So how was the experience of the Spiti Winter Drive for you, Sondra?
First of all, I wish to thank Sunil and Unwind Outdoors for this absolutely superlative, exhilarating experience. Snow drive was something was on the bucket list for me for a long time, and thanks to my friend Inder and Sunil who made this possible. We had a wonderful 7 days of driving in the snow in the Spiti Valley.
Oh my God, I was always looking forward to this because I've been here in summers. I wanted to always do it in the snow. So that was the idea. I've been telling you that Sunil, you need to plan for this. So it was awesome. The total it's 360 degrees different than summer to the winter. But I feel the winter drive was fantastic, and whatever I have not seen in the in summer, I could see all these things here. It was fantastic. The snow mountains and the ice drive, the preparation, fantastic.
It was awesome experience. I should first of all I should really thank Inder for giving me an invitation to participate in this adventure trip. I would very really say this is really an adventure trip, and I never thought I was going to really make it. In fact, I was too concerned that I should not be a cause of inconvenience to my friends. But all said and done, every minute, every plan, what we should carry, what we should do, and what we should not do was meticulously planned. And it was, I would say, it was more than meticulous. I would say.
What was the most challenging part for you?
First of all, I think one has to be mentally and physically healthy to make the entire trip, because we touch the extremes both in road conditions, in travel, time, and most importantly the temperature, which dips to up to about minus 20 degrees.
To get all these guys first in place and prepare them and talk about my experience, past experience about the Himalayas and the Spiti. And first of all, they didn't know the crux of the situation, that it would be so tough. But hats off to the group, they really enjoyed the whole thing, and fantastic. They all withstood the cold and the tough drives.
And I feel one has to be mentally, physically fit. You have to take the challenge, don't take it lightly, and prepare yourself for the trip and make it happen. That was the most challenging thing, getting myself fit.
Thanks for guiding us and all the way, like right from everything, like walkie-talkie, the whatever preparations you have made for the snow drive chains and the other equipments that would help us for recovery. It was amazing. It was a lifetime experience for me.
First thing was, I was really worried, because when I read the reviews of people saying minus 26, minus 30, and the preparation, how it's going to be, the stay and all these things, I was really worried initially. But slowly, as we were discussing and reading all these things, then we were mentally prepared to take this tough thing. But eventually the stay was fantastic, thanks to the stay, because the stay made a lot of difference. Very comfortable homestay. Because of the homestay, it was comfortable, we could withstand the cold. Otherwise it would have been very tough. And that place can even take minus 30. So the place was awesome, and the hospitality was superb, perfect.
I don't think even in one point I had never felt any inconvenience. Rather, I felt very comfortable.
Choice of vehicles, no way. It's like our Fortuners are the best. Never again any of the most trusted and tried vehicles. And the way it started off in the mornings was awesome. I never expected. The way we prepared ourselves for, especially the antifreeze diesel, the way you prepared, and the moment we came there, and your briefing was fantastic. How we have to run the car, so don't switch off immediately. All these things worked out very well. Of course, the car was very comfortable, tried, trusted, tough, fantastic, comfortable car.
Like Gulmarg and other things. That was with the family. This is with friends. It makes a lot of difference. It was excellent. Awesome experience.